Okay, here we have the Elgin model 3451E, large display, digital, and this clock is also a selectable color alarm clock. It has multiple colors, 7 in fact: aqua, red, green, pink, teal, purple, and yellow. Attractive silver casing with pedestal stand. I like the style of this clock. Large 1.25 inch, easy to read time display, and it also displays month, day, and date, and digitally displays the seconds 1 to 60. It has 12 or 24-hour time mode, and the snooze repeats every 5 minutes. But what the great feature on this clock is the color. You can change and change and change and keep changing. That's kind of matrix green. Very cool. Very simple to operate. Nice large buttons on the back, no confusion. Elgin.